In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of testing a smart contract to ensure its reliability and functionality. Before you start testing a smart contract, it's important to have a clear understanding of what it's intended to accomplish. This will help you identify any potential issues or vulnerabilities that may need to be addressed. Before testing the contract's functionality, it's important to review its code to ensure that it is well written and free of errors or vulnerabilities. This involves examining the code for any potential issues that could compromise the reliability of the contract. To review the code, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the programming language and syntax used in the contract. You may also want to use tools such as static analysis or code review frameworks to help identify any potential issues. Before you start testing the contract, it's important to set up a testing environment to ensure that the testing process is consistent and reliable. This involves installing the necessary software and tools, as well as setting up any required configurations or dependencies. To effectively test a smart contract, it's important to create test cases that cover a variety of different scenarios and conditions. This involves defining the input values and expected outputs for each test case, as well as any conditions or requirements that need to be met. To create test cases, you'll need to define the input values and expected outputs for each test case, as well as any conditions or requirements that need to be met. You may also want to use tools such as test case management software to help organize and manage your test cases. Once you've created your test cases, it's important to execute them to verify that the contract performs as intended. This involves running the test cases and comparing the actual outputs to the expected outputs to ensure that they match. If the test cases fail, or the contract exhibits unexpected behavior, you may need to debug and troubleshoot to identify the root cause of the issue. This can involve examining the contract's code and logs, as well as using tools such as debuggers or tracing tools to help identify the problem. Once you've completed the testing process, it's important to review the test results to ensure that the contract has been thoroughly tested and is functioning as intended. This involves examining the test results and any issues that were identified during the testing process. To review the test results, you'll need to examine the test results and any issues that were identified, as well as any recommendations for improvement or resolution. You may also want to use tools such as reporting software to help organize and analyze the test results. In summary, testing a smart contract involves reviewing the contract's code, setting up a testing environment, creating test cases, executing the test cases, and reviewing the test results. By following these steps, you can ensure that your smart contract is reliable and functions as intended. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about testing a smart contract, feel free to reach out to us for more information and resources.